Hey guys, what's up? It's Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Unless you have been living under a rock, you probably know who Chloe Ting is. She does workout videos on YouTube and she does a lot of programs. So in today's video, I decided to try the Chloe Ting 4-week summer shred challenge. I have never been happy with my body for a very long time, and I finally decided that it was time to change that because how I feel about myself has literally been holding me back in a lot of ways. So I decided we're quarantining anyways, why not come out of it with a better body? So in this video, this is my 2-week update on my Chloe Ting 4-week summer shred challenge. After this video, there will be another 2-week update that will have my final results. So before we get started, make sure you click that subscribe button, comment down below if you have seen any of Chloe Ting's videos or tried any of her challenges, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell because apparently that's a thing to get notified every time I upload a new video. That wasn't a thing when I was like really active on YouTube, but that's a thing now apparently, so turn on the bell, okay? And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, day 1, let's go. I'm gonna expose what my body looks like on camera, which is terrifying. Don't judge my before, okay? We all have to start somewhere. This is my before. I weigh 162.8 pounds, and believe it or not, this is a skinny morning for me. I didn't have anything in my body, so it makes me look better than I normally do. And I'm actually using a hard measuring tape because I don't have one of the soft ones. So my waist is 34 inches, my stomach is 36 inches, my booty was 41 inches, and my chest was 39 inches. This is hard, exposing what your body looks like, what you're literally the most insecure about on camera, and to everyone else that's in it. I'm proud of you. Let's go, let's work out, let's actually feel good about ourselves, okay? How did she go to the side like that? Only 3 minutes into the video. I'm watching all of the ads so I can get a break. Oh, I can't even pick him up, it's so tiring. Hi. Oh, thanks. Oh, he's gone. I'm feeling really defeated because I can't even get through our first video that we're supposed to do today. It's only 13 minutes long. I'm gonna keep having to take breaks because of my asthma. Really hard not to cry because you're so out of shape. Let your body go that bad, but I don't want to give up because I'm gonna be more mad at myself for staying at the weight that I am and the weight and the body that I want to have. I did it. I did it. I was gonna do her arms and back workout, but it's not happening. So that's it for day 1, Chloe Ting's 4-week challenge. Okay, I just did part 1 of day 2, which was the abs, and I did a lot better than yesterday. I'll be honest, today I was really depressed, and I was just gonna give up and accept my fate, and then I decided, you know what, let's take that depressed energy and put it into working out. So I just did the ab 500 rep shred, and I only took 1 break that wasn't in there, and it was only for like a minute, so I'm pretty proud of myself for that. I'm gonna take a short like 5-minute break. My heart rate slowed down because of my asthma, and then I'm gonna do the second workout, and then I'll be done for day 2. I did it. I finished the other workout. Tomorrow there's 3 workouts. I'm a little nervous. The full body shred that we did on day 1, which really kicked my butt. So we'll see how I do at it tomorrow. And then there's upper body and arms, and then another specifically just arms workout. So that'll be interesting. And then after that is a rest day, which I'm already looking forward to only on day 2. Workout from the very first day today, and you can tell by my face it wasn't nearly as hard as the first time. So let's go. 2 more workouts for today. I decided to go ahead and just do the last workout because I wasn't feeling that tired, but oh my god, Chloe Ting, are you trying to kill us with 2 arm workouts back to back? My arms are gonna die tomorrow, but tomorrow's a rest day. Yeah! 5 of Chloe Ting's challenge. Yesterday was a rest day. Felt nice. I uploaded a new video. Go watch it if you haven't seen it. It's called I Couldn't Upload This Until I Graduated. Someone commented on that video and said,
wow, she got fat.
So I'll just be thinking about that comment as I work out today. So I just did the first Chloe Ting workout. As you can see, I'm not as red as I have been, so I'm pretty happy with that. And I did all of the high impact workouts instead of the low impact ones. And I was like, why am I so much more tired? Duh, I did all the high impact ones. I literally almost had an asthma attack, but I calmed myself down. Now I'm having hot dogs for dinner, and I know you're like, hot dogs are not good, but my hot dog buns are about to expire, and I don't want to let food go to waste, so I'm just gonna eat it. Just want to update everyone that I did the optional workout today, so go me. I literally just did like 3 of those workouts in a row. I'm getting stronger, feel better. I'm gonna shower, and I'll be back to do this again tomorrow. Just finished my last workout of the first week because tomorrow's a rest day, so I'm gonna be swimming tomorrow, which is fun, exciting, woohoo Texas. I'm gonna be honest, today was hard. I wasn't motivated. My car battery died and I had a whole plan for what I was gonna do today, and then it all kind of got screwed up because my car battery died, so I had to buy a new battery and fix all of that. So it was really hard to want to work out. But I did it. I pushed through. I hate the full body shred. Her like 12-minute HIIT workout is the worst. And then I just did the get abs in 2 weeks.
That was hard.
2 workouts back to back and then 10 seconds of rest. Man, I did not realize how much I needed that 5 seconds of rest between each workout. Okay. Now I'm going to bed. Yay for rest day tomorrow. Yay for finishing week 1. I did the damn thing, okay?
This is a big moment. I'm 1 weekend and I decided to try on some clothes that I bought and I never actually wore. So this is a top from Forever 21 and I actually like the way I look in it. I might actually wear this summer. Week 1 we're doing pretty good. Tomorrow I start week 2.
Why Chloe Ting decided to have 4 workouts after a rest day. I'm dying. Now to move on to the second workout. I just did the 3rd workout and it was full body with no noise, and I think that's probably the hardest one. But I just did them like 3 in a row. I only took like a 5-minute break between the first 2 and the 3rd. So now I just have 1 left, and then day 8 is day 9 of Chloe Ting's summer shred. Only day 9. Today was hard. I didn't really want to, and then I had to push through, and the workouts just felt harder than normal. It's probably because yesterday was 4 workouts. It was really hard. And all of the protests are going on right now. There's actually one happening in my city. If you are protesting, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for using your voice. I've been sharing the links, educating myself, donating, and Black Lives Matter. Tomorrow's day 10. I can do this. I just did the first workout of day 10 or 11. I think it's day 10 of Chloe Ting's workout, and I didn't take a break. Yay! Now I'm gonna take 5 minutes and then I'm gonna keep going with the rest. Day 10 done. Tomorrow's a rest day. My face is so sweaty and glistening. It looks like I have an Instagram filter on. Nope, it's just my sweat. Thank you, Chloe Ting. I'm gonna die now. Okay, bye.
Today is the end of day 11 for Chloe Ting's summer shred. I walked so much today. I went to a Black Lives Matter protest in my city. I did not take any pictures or videos because that's not why I was there. I was there to show my support as a white ally and protest against police brutality. It was really empowering. I will never stop supporting this movement. If you actually know me in person, you know I have no racist bones in my body. I was raised correct. I got a job while I was at the protest. So I will be starting tomorrow as a server again. So I'll be getting more walking in, which is good. I just gotta make sure I don't fall into unhealthy habits eating there because it is restaurant food. It has a lot of calories. So now I'm gonna go to bed. Simba's not happy that I was gone all day. I think this generation is something special. I think that we will truly never stop fighting. I hope and pray. This cannot be another fucking social media trend. It's not to me, and I know it's not to a lot of my friends, and I'm so proud of this generation. I'm so proud of my Black friends and the people that have been organizing all of these protests. They are who deserve all the praise. I should not have any praise for going to a protest. That's literally me exercising my basic human rights to stand up for the basic human rights of other people, and that's all I have to say on it because I have. So today is technically day 13 of the Chloe Ting challenge, but I ended up taking yesterday as a rest day as well. So I did 2 rest days in a row because let me tell you guys, I literally could not walk. And then I had to go to work again, and I got off work and I just I couldn't move. Like my legs literally did not work. They only finally stopped hurting today like an hour ago. And then I was like, I can just take another rest day because I have to work again. I was like, you know what? Chloe Ting wouldn't want me to take a rest day. So I did day 12, and then I'm going to do day 13 tomorrow. So I'm off a day now. It's okay. Sometimes you have to recognize when your body physically can't do it, and mine physically could not. I'm glad I pushed through. My abs feel like rock solid right now. My arms feel really nice and strong. Here's to Chloe Ting. Challenge day 13 done. Tomorrow's a rest day, and I will be taking my 2-week progress pictures. You guys are gonna be shocked. I'm shocked. I look different. I didn't think I would notice a difference in 2 weeks, and I do. And it's really exciting, and imagining that I'll be even better 2 more weeks from now is crazy. I just did 3 workouts, and the longest break I took in between one video from the next was 5 minutes. So that's pretty awesome. And then I didn't take any breaks during the actual videos. So I'm getting stronger, and I can feel the difference. I can see the difference. I feel better. It's really awesome. Okay, here we go, my 2-week update. As you can tell, I didn't lose a lot of weight, and honestly, I was pretty bloated this day, so you can't really tell the difference, but you can see a few subtle changes here and there, but the measurements are where you hear the full story. So I lost 2 inches in my waist, 1 inch in my stomach, 1 inch in my booty, and 2 inches in my chest. And I went ahead and took some more before and after pictures so you can see my body started to look a little bit more hourglass instead of just like an apple. And you can really see I lost a lot of back fat. Alright, so that is it for my 2-week update video. Today, my results don't seem as crazy as they were yesterday. My body is just really bloated today, but I have faith in this challenge, in this program. I feel better, I feel stronger. I press on my stomach and I feel abs underneath there. It's hard back there. I have muscle in my arms. The workouts are getting easier, so I can already feel a difference. I can see a difference. You can literally see it in my measurements that this is working for me. So that's exciting. I'm ready to see what the next 2 weeks have to come. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.